Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover an X account. Access restored quickly step by step clearly. Open the X app or go to X.com on a trusted device and stable internet connection. Tap Sign In to start the recovery process from the official login screen. Click or tap Forgot Password to begin account access recovery. Enter your phone number, email address, or username exactly as you used on the account. Choose the verification method offered, such as email or SMS, based on what you can access. Check your email inbox and spam folder for the password reset message from X. If you chose SMS, open your messages and find the verification code sent by X. Return to the X reset page and enter the code before it expires. Create a new strong password with at least 12 characters, mixing letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using old passwords or any password you use on other websites. Sign in with your username or email and the new password to confirm access is restored. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete the additional step when prompted. If you lost your Authenticator app, select the option to use a backup code if you saved one. If you do not have backup codes, select Need Help or try another method on the 2FA screen. Go to the X Help Center and search for login issues if you are still blocked. Submit an account access request form and provide the requested details carefully. Use the same email address you can currently access so X can reply to you. Explain the problem clearly, such as hacked account, lost phone, or locked out of 2FA. Attach screenshots only if the form allows it, and they help prove the issue. Wait for the response from X support and check your inbox and spam folder regularly. While waiting, secure your email account by changing its password and enabling 2FA. After you regain access, go to Settings and Privacy and then your account. Review account information and confirm your email and phone number are correct. Go to Security and Account Access and then Apps and Sessions to review active logins. Log out of unknown sessions to remove suspicious access immediately. Check connected apps and revoke any app you do not recognize. Turn on two-factor authentication and save your backup codes in a secure place. Update your password manager or write down recovery options so you can recover faster next time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.